Pico Graphic Programming Lesson 5, Intruder Alarm System. In this project, we will use a per-motion sensor to detect human movement. Once an intruder's motions is detected, then Pico will trigger a buzzer alarm. This is a typical application used in many home security systems. Open the tutorial link. Create a new project and connect the Pico to serial port. Click New Project icon. Click the new icon in My Projects. Please click Connect button in the bottom of the page and connect your Pico board to your project. Click Chip, greater than Start, then move Start Chip to Coding area. Click Loops, greater than Repeat while through and move this block just below Start block. From Logic category, add an if_do_else block inside repeat while block. From Chip category, add is_pin_0_low block to if area and change pin 0 to pin 15, low to high. From Chip category, add turn pin on block to do area and else area, then change pin number from 0 to 14, change to area value from on to off. Add turn pin on block again to do area and else area, then change pin number from 0 to 14. From Chip category, add a wait 1 seconds block below outer if do else block, change wait time from 1 to 0.2. Now we have finished building the program, we can click Start button to run the program. When you put your hand close the per sensor, it means some intruder is detected, buzzer will alarm. If you remove your hand from the per motion sensor, buzzer will stop alarm.